umuntu abuser ngiphinde ngimlwele mina. Mase fika amaphoyisa ujika yonke into.
Yo.
Hayi, okay angicumanga mara semile sihlukane, think about it.
Yo. Hayibo.
So when Karis Kaftin ngesikolweni, he was hungry, like, okay. Nice Captain Sam and bengikhera ngitapaway yabaza abazali tapaway abafuna kanjani she's like hayibo mosungene azi ukuthi unjani uguy hayibo ngene ngazi ukuthi unjani I mean ngiyascream uyazi ukuthi konke yenzakalayo but as usisomdala why don't you come eroomini and see what's happening angayihluphe shem I'm telling you hey konje yaqala kule pizza udla kanjani mara like you understand Davidson ke kune mall esibiza Lakeside Mall. Konje yaqala ukuhamba uye eBinoni ungagibeli taxi. Like why?
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Late CM. I'm the one and only Martinent, as you already know. We are back with another episode and Angikoiwani. I've got you guys Upabi Matilda.
Boo. How
are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. I'm so excited to have you on the show.
Thank you for having me.
Yo, scarce,
Very. Yeah, not by choice though, Babana. I'm a very busy woman.
Okay, and by the way, sino sihle lapha backstage, so naye uzongena rende, so ungamangali.
Okay, shout out Sihle.
Yes. Right.
I'm good. Are you good?
Yeah, so I'm good.
Thank you for having Ukapadia.
Ukapadia. Lelo kama ulithola kanjani velo Ukapadia? You know, like that name.
Yeah.
I think mina ngaza bajita like Ukapadia. So today is my first time just to hear that there's a lady obizwa ngoKapadia.
Yeah, nabo girls khona boKapadia.
Okay. So Ukapadia uphume before ngizokhipha my first EP which is called She's King.
Okay.
So because I'm a versatile artist ngibonile ukuthi hayi man. Why mina ngizozibiza ngentombazana, queen. Wonke umuntu uzibiza ngequeen. Mina I'm king because I can do anything, yabona. So wayenze ukuthi fika piano. Obviously hip hop seyawa kancane, we have to jump in. I did. Ngiyabona ukuthi hayi nakhona mos I'm good. Ngitswembu sway ngathi angikapadia assistant swembu. Even the crowd they're like, "Oh, Ukapadia," like from hip hop, trap, house, R&B, yonke lento lena you are there. You are actually Ukapadia. So Barbie, but some consideration because they feel like Barbie is soft. It's a very soft name for me, for Matilda kahle. So bangibatha wena Ukapadia wena. So ngabe it's okay. Ukapadia sister Nzwem. So mangis introducer. My name is Barbie Matilda Ukapadia sister Nzwem. All the way from Davidson 1520. Yes.
Okay. Then the new Barbie, is it like your real name or what?
No, Barbie is not my real name. A nickname.
Okay.
So should I explain what me to kanjani?
Yeah.
Okay. Mankula, I used to love Abo Barbie. So why school back some basically no Barbie. Abo Barbie girl, yes. Including the clothes I bring is goga.
Okay.
Barbie. Bengithanda Nicki Minaj futhi Nicki Minaj bakayipeer pressure masikhula shem yo
especially to
girls man so ngakhula nayo uBarbie angibiza ngoBarbie and then some other lady at school bekasebenza I don't think beka teacher man she was like hey wena you look like a doll wabona because I had like long hair and my hair wasn't black wabona like hey wena you look like a doll yabona you look like a Barbie girl a Barbie doll like Aisha should lekama vele lami ngiphiwe ngiziphanga so ngakhula nalo shem till today
yo wow mentioned ukuthi you diverted from making hip hop songs to amapiano. Okay, let's first take it back to hip hop, like, was it also Nicki Minaj who influenced you, like, to get into the music space or what?
Definitely. It was Nicki Minaj herself, cishe ngathi himself.
Angithi lento yokuthi
Yeah, exactly. Into like ukuthi I'm king, but yeah. Nicki Minaj influencile shem, I won't lie. Influencile khuluma nge-vocabulary yami ngoba I used to study dictionary ukuthi nami ngikwazi ukuba ngize nama-buzz, metaphors, blah blah blah, yonke lento leyo. Hebe ngimbukela shem. So into beyingihlula ngayo ngoba phela ngikuzukope forever and forever, amen. Nicki Minaj uyachintsha.
Yeah.
Unokwenza ingoma zakudala, hip hop le yakudala bese yenza commercial.
Yeah.
Bese yenza trap, bese yenza le ngoma lezi zampopayi lezi, you understand? So bengakhona lo ngimlandelela like I need to be my own. Yabo ngoba nangapha abantu bangakubuki if bayabona ukuthi you are sounding like someone else. Yeah. Because ngikhe ngatrenda for lento le esikolweni eCrystal Park High School. I think it was 2017.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, I was doing grade 11. Yeah. So ngele ngaphuma ku newspaper yase Springs, I was wearing a pink bikini ne bra yakhona. So ngatrenda, they were like, this girl, she's trying to be like Nicki Minaj. Let's she's very skinny. She looks like she's sick. Wabona. Lento le yangidla. I thought I was strong, hurai. I can manage, man. Good publicity is never a bad publicity. Yabo. Sikhathi masamba ngabona ukuthi ayebo lento ukopela umuntu lena, it's not really helping. Semele manje ngizenza ukaphathe ngibe strong kunguthi I'm human. Yabo. So I stopped. I was like, okay, from now on, I'm just gonna do me. I'm gonna come with my own style. Ngibe unique ngendlela yami. No Nicki Minaj till this day.
Awungitshele. There's this thing. I don't know if it's true or not. And they say kahle social media, like, it's not real. Like these internet beef, most of them, and some like nendlela social media ibuye responding, it's not real. Like mhlambe, for an example, more trend like trend like for whatever reason, trend like on social media. Mawuphumela ngaphandle, people like on social media, they will show you hate, but when you come outside, you'll see it's all love. Like it's different. So as much as when you've trended and you've experienced that, like, are you finding it similar to what I'm saying, or like it's different from what I've heard?
It's not really different from what you're saying, because there's this thing we call the PR stunt.
Okay.
Whereby I'm a manager, they all come together and discuss. So it's okay. Mina, now we're actually gonna have a beef. Mara, it's not really a beef. It's a beef to make money. You understand? We just wanna make people bakhulume ngathi.
Yes.
And bakhuluma ngathi senze imali. Mawuphuma lapha ngaphandle, you think abantu bazokuzonda ukuthi wena uzonda ubhabi? Angeke. Bayakuthanda abantu. Awuwaluza ama fans. Abantu bayithanda izi wrong shame, I won't lie. Bayithanda. So ku music manje, bayenza kanjalo imali. Ungabona bathi uKes before uzibani bani, dude. It's not really true. Believe me. It's just a PR stunt.
Deni lento le boyithanda ngaka like Nicki Minaj. What was so unique ngaye?
Bengithanda esiyakhe.
Yo.
Bengithanda esiyakhe.
What's he said?
It was huge.
But they say angithi, I don't know.
Plastic surgery.
Yeah, they say plastic surgery.
It doesn't matter. Mara, it's huge. She can do the things. Wabona, like you makangene stage.
Twerk.
Yeah, we understand. Abantu abasamemela music sebabheke yena ngokwakhe. Yena ngokwakhe uyazithengisa ngaphandle ko music. So into attractile kuye leyo like hayibo. Shusinamele ngibe muhle musi ngibe wonke lama package anawo. Yes.
Was it the reason now you're also like a twerker, like a twerk?
I guess.
You guess?
I guess. I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. Influence lesne.
Yeah, ne?
Hayi influence le shem vele mangicabanga ngiyabona ukuthi ya influence le shem, because back in those days ne imitheko lena, it wasn't exposed that much. Wabona. Mara mina ngazi ingqondo yami njani, shuthi ngele ngabamba from low minute lama short clips babawaveze wakhe. Shuthi ayelwa ngene ekhanda till today because ngiyathanda ukutweka shem. Hayi ngiyathanda ukutweka shem.
Are you comfortable enough to show us what you've got?
Awa.
Show what your mama
Awa.
gave. Show us what your mama gave you.
Yazi ku-right manirhalele ukuthi ungathi ngambona twerk. You
Yeah.
understand? Yeah.
So you're not in that space. So
Maybe masiceda, bona masiceda maybe ngabathi fahla
or before you wrap up the interview.
before we wrap up everything.
Okay. Yeah, ungaba guy 360 man. Maybe they would like to see how
360.
360 check, yeah.
Okay, thing is explaining it before I give you guys 360 ne. Okay,
Yeah.
I have a little mukhabanyana.
How?
Yenza ukudla. Akunalifika. I used to have
Yeah.
Alseco. I have a shapanyana.
Eh.
Yabona.
Yeah.
But yeah, I must start the shemba zobona ngitafuna ukuyibona remind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, phela sometimes it's not about ukuthi unento nengakanani.
It's about what?
Yeah. Nestrap asi right now so.
Hayibo.
Depending on how to use it.
Hayibo, guys, don't lie.
Yeah, serious.
Nithatha into nikhulume. Nithatha into nikhulume.
It's something it's something that we know. People know.
Yeah.
Okay, but I guess it's true because bakhona
Kanti wena
amantombazane
wazi
ngibone
yini?
ngaka. Kodwa hey, who bad.
But lento lena is similar to this thing yokuthi with guys who've got like big dicks and who've got like small dicks. Uzothola amantombazane actually ukuthi what matters is how
The
you're using
performance,
it.
yeah.
How you're
Yeah,
using
how-
that dick. Yeah, you can have a small
Oh.
dick, but if you know how to use it, obviously the woman will still be satisfied. Then have a big dick, so look at you can't even satisfy a woman.
Yeah.
You know, she's crying like she's sobbing all the way out.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah.
I guess
Uthola
deep it.
unendono engaka akakwazi ukuthweka, akakwazi.
Ngithi yabona.
Vela lale.
Mara ukhuluma iqiniso vele because ngisebenza nama stripper
Yeah.
nama exotic dancer. Yonke nje lenhlobo engathi ibhekele ngisebenza nayo.
Yeah.
So bothola umuntu une S enhle shemi shepheke njenge heart. Mara when it comes to twerking, iqine.
Yeah.
Iqine. Yo, semele
Dinga
manje
more dog
umfundi.
style.
Hayi,
Uzothi ukuthamba kancane.
I think ezinye izinto natures.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, ezinye izinto shem ifana namabele, if namabele awile, hayi ukuthi ayenziwa awile sidala udala unjalo vele.
Yenzeka vele lonto.
Yeah, it does happen. Because amacanga ukuthi hayi umntwana okubusayo ngoba uya bathini uyasakha. Abanye abazali abanjalo, abanye abazali ibune ewile, abanye abazali ne vagina wet. Bona it's nature. It's not something we can change.
Yeah, wet like enjani wet.
Mama explain because I've never seen pussy a wet before. I-wet bana okay ipussy yenzele ibe dry, you understand? So
Yeah.
le i-wet shuthi iphuma i-discharge, okay wonke amaphusa aphuma i-discharge mara iphuma i-discharge. Ayikaze yaba dry noma nje ungena nje yangeneka
Imanzi
nje,
nje.
you understand? Yeah. Hayi ukuthi it's man made. Injalo.
Ayina kulapheka.
No injalo.
It's nature.
It's nature injalo.
You can't fight it.
They can't thola umfana azothe wena nevagina emanzi hayibo inature lento lena okay abanye bathi iyenziwa ukuthi balala nabantu aba different ayikusigcine sangibelieve kulento leyo mina sile esikolweni guys.
And then
Shuthi
manje-
my wet vele izoba ne smell.
Okay ne smell na okay ivagina smell
Yeah.
but it's not akhona sihlukile. If it's a fishy smell it means there's something wrong with the vagina, so you need to see your gynecologist.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
not like always inuka njengofish.
No. Vagina smell side same applies to your ass. Wabona ass
Yeah,
ine smell
ine-smell
side.
side,
Exactly. So ne vagina yo injalo. So if awusanuki like leyo meat smell, raw meat smell,
Yeah.
say ba fishinyana, not even fish, ngathi khona into ebolile.
Ebolile.
It means you have to see your gynecologist or get some antibiotics because something is wrong. Yeah.
i-normal smell yakhona.
Inama smell yakhona man, ismell ositolerateayo.
Okay.
Yeah, so mangihleli la, uhleli la, ngeke ungive ukuthi nginwa kanjani.
Yeah.
But mangihleli lana nawe bese we have content ephuma ku vagina yami it means
Kenzeka, have you
Kunento
met mhlampe someone like who where like a fishy smell?
yeah, it wasn't fishy. That one, that one was
Worse.
traumatizing. Yo,
Kanjani?
cause bese high school we understand. I mean, I thought akagezi. Serious, and she was my friend. So ngeluka yenze ukuthi okay, ngasi bengihome alone ekhaya. My sister wasn't around. And then ngam invite ukuthi okay, eze then sukwazi kuba nama drinks and stuff. And then walala ekamereni laka siswami bese kwasala ismell. Mababuye ekhaya they thought yimi. So now I had to explain ukuthi hey man, this girl vele since vela ne smell from my last week vele lokela nuka snacks ka so. You understand? So into khona bengakhoza ukuthi ulala nabantu aba different because she only had one boyfriend and I knew her boyfriend wabona. Ilento le ukuthi awudli healthy, awugezi ngesikhathi, drinking too much. Ishivajana ifuna lokuluyigeza shemyazi.
Serious?
Yeah. Lokulugeza shem because angisho utshwala kuya cause yeast infection. So yeast infection nga explain kanjani vele uba ne smell ne satolerateeka but monga itreat kuba ngathi inyama ebolile. Yeah. Shu siyabona mawulapho ngila uyeva ukuthi hayi man khona into off. So imagine if you are having sex with your girl unwa kanjalo ngaqala nje ukhipha iphenzi.
Afuna
Yes uyezwa. Yebo hayi ukuthi bekabhizelana nabantu maybe utshwala maybe ukuthi uyabhema or maybe i-diet yakhe nje ayikho right. Mangathola ama antibiotics uzoba sharp. Simple.
But yona lento yokulala like with different boys like iyayikhosa nayo like i-bad smell.
Yes it does. It does because phela ukhumbula nabafana nifana hygiene yena ayifani khona ugeza once a day khona ugeza after 2 days khona abathwele kuthiwa hayi ungageza iviki lonke mulala nomuntu uthi umfakele unqola kwakho and stuff. So yeah plus nanshave ngisho vele
Hayibo.
yeah abafana wena ufana nendaba phela niwaquka ama bikini inhlezi nifake ama box or whatever nibiza ngani DVD ithini.
Are you talking from experience? Like, have you came across someone that you've slept with? You were like, hey,
but
this guy,
ukusheva akuna stress phela into esebenza yile yanto ushevo.
I'm not gonna answer that. Mari ukusheva kuyasebenza.
Kanjani?
Ukwazi bona mangashefanga amakhwapheni
Yeah.
ismell senjani. Angisho amakhwapha avalekile.
Yeah.
So lapha yana ufaka ibruku wafaka whatever ifakile yo underwear. Ucawusa kunwa kanjani? Ukhumbule manje chama nina ne niyathintitha anisuli ngetissue njengathi. Kusalana. Nikhena icabanga. Awushevanga, bekushisa wasweater, plus umkhamo wakho think about it. Mara kungcono.
Into ejulukayo kodwa ama boards.
Konke.
So into ekhethi smell wena kahle kahle what you're trying to say ukuthi iloba boya loba yibo lobo obukhetha it smell igcine sekunuka sekuba storm. If ngekho loboya obviously it can smell but it won't smell in a way ukuthi umunye umuntu ayizwe.
Yeah, mina ngifila kanjalo yebo. Abaziyo better banga-comment abasho. But mina ngokubona kwami hayi ngathi mongashevanga shema you are making things worse.
Even with you guys.
Yeah, true even with us. Cause sina siphuma ama discharge nani ayahlala kulabo boya laba. Yahlala kube angazi uthini similar to ama cyst mara kusama cyst. Yahlala nje lapha ya uthole mawubamba umuntu ku vagina angazi ngisizulu bayibizana lezinto lezi man but yeah. Okay yabona inkwethu ukuthi njani inhloko.
Yeah.
Kuba kanjalo. Nino lezanuka by the way if nazi. Yeah. So never vagina kunjalo ke. So kithi kumane kube worse cabanga already phela sine smell thina natural bese kube ile smell lesokuthi asishivanga wasala ama discharge njuluko nani you understand bese siyagula ke bese when you think anya kuchithela kanti next yimi nje bengafuna ukugeza.
So that's why ngeza ngake with a day twice.
Yeah.
Wena nje.
Once, twice. Hayi mina for mina personally shem angigezi ka twice a day kaning. Cha shem.
You just ugeze vagina nje.
Ngoba ke no kuyenze ukuthi ngiphume ekhaya ekseni ne ngayosebenza. Okay ngigezile ngisho ekseni ngayosebenza ngabuya the following day. Uyabo. So angeke ngithi kimi routine shem. Hayi le routine le inokuphukeka somewhere.
But mawuhlele ekhaya like on a normal days like okay nje kangaka.
Yeah, once or twice.
Yeah.
still ngoba nginokubalekisa shem nami yo futhi kuyabanda manje guys yo
plus nina nibuyeni indlela izinto zabo snookfish
hayi angidla into leyo hayi lento le ngifundela isowethu ke bengingayazi
iyadliwa la iSoweto yes
bengingayazi into leyo zagayi kunabantu abadla ifish ewomile
yeah
hayi sis okay ngathi sis ke ngoba ngikazi ngayidla what if imnandi
Yeah, you should try it out.
is it nice
I don't know. You should try it out. Mostly it's under mantombazana.
but you see the smell with sinjani
yeah
imagine sikuvagina ke sinjalo vele sinjalo sinjalo
And then, what's your take on what MacG said? No, I'm not sure if you've heard. Allegedly, MacG Angiti called out Omeni Dlamini was on a bad smell. So, what's your take on that?
no he said maybe
or he said maybe
Yeah,
Yes.
maybe. Oh, just to be correct,
Yeah.
maybe. Allegedly.
okay umini Dlamini yena utheni wanje to that football player qala
in a smaller nyana now
okay so ukwatile ngisho umini Dlamini ukuthi uMacG usho kanjalo
we
why akwata cause naye le washo something nge-ex yakhe whatever into behlanganisa so hayi mina ngibona ngathi 50-50 shem phela ugayi bengakwazi ukuzilwela by that time you understand because
Yeah.
umini Dlamini uyini influencer in
Yeah, apparently. Yeah, she's one of the biggest influencers that you have in the country.
Uyabo?
Yeah, but she's a presenter. There's more that she does.
uyabo so ngumfana abantu akazange akwazi ukuziphendulela uMacG umphendulele ke
uvele
So,
washada
i-50-50 lento lena
Yeah.
ayikho 50-50 allegedly hey bangaze basule
Okay. Then, going back to what you were talking about, music. Then, like, how did it take place? Like your transition, like from hip hop to amapiano. Like, how was it like? Was it like? Did you find it like difficult to do it? Like, how was it? How was it like?
yo it was actually hard
Yeah, ne?
it was actually hard because I had to get in management ezoblender ku hip hop na ku piano. So I had to change my branding. I had to change how I speak nabantu. I had to change how I dress. Yo, it was a lot, shem. It was a lot. Mara izange ngithatha isikhathi ngoba imanager benginayo maybe understand ayazi. Akazange afike as a manager in my life. Ufike as a friend because unokwenza i-counseling so bengithi manginenkinga shem ngiyakwazi ukuya kuye ukuthi eyazini nento sonaka so yena lo izinto zami zibe easy man kuthi Matilda you need to dress kanjena you need to perform endaweni ezinjena uyabona but ke ipiano lifuna ukuthi uqale phansi from scratch unlike hip hop phela masoqala sona igamanyana yabo kunendawo like ama taverns ngeke usaya kuzo wayemelo emathaveni so ipiano ayishem uthanda ungathanda ucela phansi kuma tavern kalakhi ka Matilda kazibanibani
Yeah. And even Nozinmal, I think that's where she started.
Exactly. Yeah. So kimbe kunzima. Mina bengifila ngathi abantu bazothi ayilona shuthi ku hip hop uhlulekile. So sekayozama manje kuma piano yabo.
Kandwena, what was the reason you would like switch like from hip hop to amapiano?
The reason ukuthi hip hop bese ingasanakwa kangako. Ama bookings bawangangeni shem. I won't lie. Mawuqala nje usend a profile to those booking tonton. Sibizani manje. Not even agencies. Ama promoter. Yeah, bawangangeni bakutshela ukuthi athi sifuna uzodlala ipiano. Abantu bathanda ipiano, abantu bayenda bani hip hop. Abantu bayenda bani hip hop around 2-3 abasadakiwe. And nemali yakho encane. So zakai ngcono ngiswitche ke. Kwegcina ne music business.
Yeah.
Ngaswitcha kanjalo ke. Hey ngaba addicted ke. Ngoba phela ngabona sengenze connect serious kabi manje ku piano.
Serious?
Hayi ngilenzile more than hip hop. Hayi hip hop ngenzanga ngathi bengidlala.
Serious?
Hayi piano ngisebenzile shem. I'm telling you. Hayi piano connect ngilenzile. Enye into futhi eyela ngenza ukuthi ngikwazi ukwenza i-connect i-side hustle enyenzayo. I actually have a company called The King's Hostesses. So idila nama bottle girls, strippers, exotic dancers. So I got to meet ama-artist, I got to meet ama-investor, I got to meet ama-club owner, wabona. So nami I was able to network nabantu ngizenzele connect.
Wait. How old are you, mfethu?
Mina why mina ngintshela i-age yentombazana ayibuzwa.
Okay. How you
Ayibuzwa age yentombazana.
No, the reason I'm asking, ukuthi like you look very young, Ane, and to have that kind of a mindset like at this early age, like ukuthi to start something of your own. You know, like there are a lot of things that are changing. We are going to like a forced industrial revolution. Yeah, but which is slowly but surely like it is like fading in. Yeah, because you look at things like we know more paying about DSTV now, like we are on YouTube.
Yes.
You see, we no more use CDs, like we're using our USBs, all that thing. Like people, they don't pay attention, to be honest. That's how I feel. That's my opinion. They don't pay attention because now it up until it is gonna get to a point whereby, because we're still gonna have like robots that will work like retail stores, restaurant, like who's going to serve people. And that thing, even with security, it has evolved like in the past few years, because we used to mall, like we used to have like 20 guards. Now we have like 5 guards. They're CCTV cameras. That's technology. That's the first industrial revolution.
Yes.
So when I like my question is, like at this age that you're at, like whose idea was it to see like your own business? Because remember, I'm a business even AI now, IT companies, like it's just a lot going on. Yeah. And the best way now to save your ass and to build a generational legacy is to start your own business. You see? So with that idea, that mindset that you're having, it kind of highlights some certain picture, like at the back of my mind. So like whose idea was it? Like let's just start there.
Okay, mangikhula bengingahinga out nezintanga zami kakhulu. Ngiyabona. So benginabantu abakhulile emcondweni engiphila nabo. Bengathi umuntu ukuthi uhamba ama club because njengebusho I'm still young, very young. Ngasho ukuthi ukuphuza ngicale manje nje. Yabo. So I think was it 2023 or nini? A friend of mine beganza modeling. So yena she had ama stripper nama bottle girls. Begana le tender leyo, you understand? So what I ngoba mathe uyabona ukuthi ku music iyabheda. Yamani uzuza amazamo ama cent la. Okay. Ngaya first week. I think first week or second week if I'm not mistaken ngizange last. I was like, "Nah, this is not for me." Cause bengithi mangilaphayana I'd get to meet abangani babo Somizi bakaVusinova. Yabo. Ngizohamba nabo emakwabo bazongibonisa into abazenzayo laba ngangifaka khona, you understand? Hayi ngabona ukuthi hayi man ngeke. Nami leto ngazicela yona. Funny enough, akekho umuntu engimbuzile ukuthi okay, mafuna ukwenza into so uqalapi. Mina nje ngavuka, I called 3 of my friends like, guys, let's go to a Jozi. Angazi siyaphi but let's go to Jozi.
Okay.
Masifika Jozi, I went to a Joji rooftop emaboning. Ngafika ngacela imanager, ngayithola imanager. Besifaka nama roga white ke.
Hey, you've got balls, ne?
Hey. So Masifika Georgia, asked for the manager, told the manager, hey, I've noticed ukuthi club yenu doesn't have this and that. So mina can bring lento le. You understand? Angizange mention ukuthi ngifuna imali no kanjani. But I never saw thing about bottle girls. Unfortunately, club yethu ayideal nama stripper or exotic dance.
Wait. What is a bottle girl?
Uyilaba bahambisa amabhodlela with sparkle lights. Yes.
And they have to dress in a nice way.
Yes.
Like but grow like I'm a strippers.
Yeah.
Okay.
So already benginayo imali ukuthi ngithenga uniform. Yabo. So George into zayenzeka vele. Ngathenga uniform ngemali yami. First week, first month bayabona ukuthi okay ngiyawenza umsebenzi and then bangisponsora nabo uniform, you understand? Ngoba yiloko naloko. So they told me ukuthi okay Cause iJojo inkulu so ifika yenzeka baqeda ukurenovate phansi ke that's when bazoyenza ama private tonton for lama stripping ngifuna ukuthi abe khona so unfortunately zangiziyenzeke lento leyo yenzeke le Jimistin ke eJimistin I forgot igama lo club leyo shem bangibhuka ngama last minute ke but say we need ama stripper kanti mina nginawo ama by that time nginama exotic dancer ngathi ke nenzaba ukuthi nenzani stage please go and make money
dancer wona yini la these things I'm not familiar just
ilaba mabajive ngathi bakusejuice man yes
okay.
abekho ku pole yeah so saya
beza kuhleli like relaxing
like abo lap dance so you understand
okay,
yeah
okay
so saya Jimistin hayi kwayenze ngabona ukuthi hayi man shuthi ngayenza imali vele lapho so ngaqala ke ngathaze ngcono ngibe ne company yami the King's Hostesses mabangifuna bazocontact mina ke the King's Hostesses yeah so shuthi kule company leyo nginama host nama promoter nama stripper nama exotic dancer nama DJ as well
okay
yebo because kumele ngibheke into engangibhenefita futhi ku music ngoba ngifocus ku side hustle forever yeah so manginabo DJ bakwazi ukudlala ingoma zami lapha abantu bakwazi basine izishemezo Shazam
Shazam
yes bakwazi ukwenza lento lezo so eJojo ke shembe bangaperformisa ama local artist hayi baba ngiperformisa shem hlezi bhuka bodali wonga youngstana amaphorisa you understand
yeah
into abangayenza ukuthi badlale ingoma zakho nakhona bekunzima ngoba I had to beg and I had to create a relationship nabanye abo DJ and I wasn't allowed ukuthi ngiletha abo DJ bami lapha ya
hey but in fact laman moba approach like the management was it like males because remember ama males did want something in return especially if Uza is a woman
yeah
azange experience lento le
ne eJojo I didn't
okay
iJojo yahlonipha but one of it club ehloniphayo ke leya my manager wakhona they don't even like short things ama waiter wakhona they don't wear skirts they only wear long tights or long pants you understand they don't reveal that's their rule and it shows how they respect women kule club play mawungabheka abo Rich Diamonds Cosmo they wear skirts tennis skirts wabona
yeah
iJojo ayikho yonke lento le Jojo doesn't allow short things at all unless you're a bottle girl ke kuphela and you'll never hear rumors gore owner Jojo was busy or tried doing this to me ne
okay
yenze kanjalo yeah but to some other club yay it was hectic because they would tell me gore okay I see unamantombazana 7 which are strippers but we don't want them we want you I'm telling you you want me but yeah
how so now ngaliphi kahle
obvious they want to sleep with me bakutshela ukuthi here's 10 grand we don't care about your girls bro sifuna wena ngiyabona ukuthi business yaphela la sebafuna mina so manje I have to like hustle a girl who looks like me wabona oyenzayo lento lena because mina mangizoyenza ayikho kimi man ngizombhora umuntu wabantu so at least mawujwayela into oyenzayo uyabo
kanti wena how
yeah okay ngifuna ukubuza nge10 grand 10 grand it's a once off thing or it's continuously lona banemali guys banemali shem yo
so wayeka mfethu monthly allowance engaka mfethu
hayi ngayeka shem ngayeka ezinye izinto kusezami shem ngamampela and enye into futhi engifuna ukuyiclarify ne yabona into abantu bayibona ku social media ngami it's not really the Matilda lo enguye mangisekhathi kusumuntu oyi1 man yes
so, ku social media u different from home
yes very different Khomo zekhaya you never ungithole ngihamba ngiphento nanana ngeke ngicokile ama pajama I look crusty as fuck babona but when I go out I make sure thing is ngi-attract into ezongilethela imali endlini into ezongilethela yona nothing uzongiphi mangihlana uzongiphi imali angeke but when I go out when I so pretty nayi 50 rand yabona hayibo futhi mangicweka so ngiyenza imali mos you understand.
But also, don't you feel like your life is also in danger? Because there's a lot. There's human trafficking. There's a lot. Like, it's just a lot. There's a kidnapping.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things.
Yo, guys.
And endlini nihlala nobani?
That is a very personal question. I can't disclose.
Okay. Bengitshela ukuthi maybe uhlala nabazali or something.
Ngeke ngisho. Like I said, life yami ayikho safe.
She's a grown woman now. You can see her.
So yeah, sakhuluma nge-safe thine guys.
Yeah.
I-business le nguyo shema ayikho safe because bayile bangispike. Not more than okay, nini vele engaki. I think twice or 3 times bangispike. So I won't mention amaklabs abangispike kuwo because nakhona nje ngeke kube safe for me. So bangispike nge-hurricane guys. Hurricane mabengazi ukuthi yini shem.
Hurricane yini?
Mama ngitshela bathi Nyawupe.
Oh,
understand because even the doctors aba explain ukuthi kahle kahle yini hurricane. Bayakutshela ukuthi bakuspikeile nani. Yabo. So mabangispike guys I won't lie. Ebe ngi-enjoy la plug lela because I felt like I'm drunk. Honestness. I felt like ngidakiwe.
Angithi like reason ukuthi bakuspike ukuthi like ugcina ungaboni like
Yes.
anything.
Manje mina
So wena
see.
ayizange ifike lapho.
Not at all.
Hayi mfethu kanjani?
Nabe ngi-enjoy ke.
Wo enjoy your house so.
Like the plug ngize ngithi maybe bangibhookile to enye club ne. Ngithi wayeka my style ayengafani yale yalena. Hayi lena. Ngisho okay ngithatha isikhathi ukudakwa. Leya fast I'm out. Only to find out ukuthi no man. Le ngithandayo ngipreferayo. Mangifika khona all the time bangispike. So shuthi bazamile first day didn't work.
Yeah.
Bangiphinda bazi ukuthi okay every weekend ula from Friday Saturday Sunday ukhona or from Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday ukhona. So every day bangispike ngalali. Luckily usiswambe kaba khona ke for i-safety yami because my mom felt like it's not safe ukuthi uyintombazana uyahamba eJozi. Lesikhathi bengisahlala eDavidson by that time kukude so bathi usama umdala ngcona ahambe nami. So kwanaye bengaboni ukuthi bangispikeile. Beku right nje. So ene bengine personal Uber driver. Ifika before ngichasa 1 o'clock ngaphandle ngimele. Mase 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock ayivaye. Wena ungispikeile ke uzongisaphi because umnyango uyi1 ukuphuma. Kula imoto ngimele khona. Uyongisaphi. So they tried until nga overdose.
Okay.
That's when we discovered ukuthi hayi shem. Ngiyagula kamampela. Ngama ngifike ekhaya, I remember ngile ngafona ngathi mina guys I'm not feeling well yabo. Bese ngiyalunywa. Yabona unyawo behave kanjani?
Yeah, like ukulunywa lokuyinwaya.
Bese nginjalo. Ngiyalunywa, ngiyagodola, ngiyacha, ngiyasweat. And yabona mangisweat bengijula ukuthi kumele ngize ngichintshe impahla ngifake ezinye impahla.
Yeah.
Baba ngithengile medication ngizofuna ukui-overdose ukuthi ngibe na that feel. Ngibe high.
Yeah.
Hama wabona ukuthi hayi wena ukhona imali wena. Ngiyalala ngiyazivalela I don't wanna eat. Abonyoba badla. Badla ama strike.
Sure.
So I was like that. Ngizofuna into sweet. Ngidla I don't drink water. Ngiyazivalela nje. Kubhlungu. It was painful shem. The body ache I don't know it was different. Ay ngazi man. Bengasile body ache le normal. Le yama tonsils or flu. That one was hectic vele. So we made a plan with my mom then I found out ukuthi ayishem bangispikeile.
Then like ugule to what extent like?
Yo, yazi Nkosiyami, thing is I lost my phone. I was gonna show you a picture so ubeke lapha mo poster le video. Bengathi ngindoda. I'm telling you bengifana nobabami. Bengimnyama two. My skin was oily. Baby kubed ngakhona guys.
Yeah.
Bengihallucinate. Why? Because mabanginikeza ama antibiotics endlini ngizofuna ukwa overdose ukuthi ngibe na that feel. Lebe ngifila kule club leya. Mangizophuziyeka master yabo. So benginjalo ke. Bangiphinda futhi. I think it was last year early. Bangiphinda futhi.
Company uko cautious like cause now you know you've been spiked once. Now you know that I should be like extra cautious like easy.
Guys, these people are clever.
Yeah.
These people are very clever. Ukhumbula ukuthi okay mangiva my hem allegedly.
Yeah.
Bathi labantu lama club owner lawa yakwazi ukukhuluma nama host ukuthi baba sifakele umuntu so ibhodlela already livaliwe but sisilifake something already.
Hey man,
you understand? So you'll never know.
Yona uzoza nebhodlela ulibona ibhodlela livaliwe lisealed. Ucabanga ukuthi everything is fine kanti ibhodlela already sebafake something.
Because bengihamba nginyuka neglass lami nge-toilet neglass lami abangispeka kunjalo guys. Bangithola bo clever.
Yini bebehloseni phela?
It was human trafficking. Yeah, traffic because they were like, I don't know lona.
So like, is it a real thing like ematlapeni?
Yo.
Because when you survived, but I think there are people
survive.
Yeah, it's a real thing, Shem, especially with the business le. Okay, because as I'm a stripper yenzani ngena ne. Asali uyahola maqeda ukustripper bakunikeza imali yakho. Bese kufika umuntu athi, "Hayi manazi ngina 5,000 ngifuna ukuthi uhambe nami kwami." But smash ekseni kunikeza imali yakho, you understand? Abanye vele bayenza kanjalo, abanye they don't smash. So niyazivela ungena emotweni, it's shy, you gone.
You
understand?
And they when ugijimise
imali, yes.
And they know. Because vele bazokheha like nge high price.
Abakheha Shem. Abakheha guys. Kwa number sangehile mos.
Bakheha. Mhlawumbe unabake bakheha mhlawumbe ngemali nje mfethu.
Mina baski bazonginikeza yele mali leya bekule mali okay bengikho ku contracts because bangeke ngebusiness yami but okay let's amantombazana akho for Friday Saturday Sunday each day you're gonna get 20k you understand but sifuna ukuhamba nabo sifuna ukuhamba nabo
each day uzothola 20k
each day
so when you were supposed to make like 60k
you understand mara kuthiwa amantombazana sihamba nawo sifuna ama short time namantombazana you understand so ngakhuluma nawo girls yabona ukuthi them guy uthini uthi uzonginikeza 20k if 20k kushuthi nani nginibhadala imali more you understand nani makahamba nani it means uyanithipha because obviously manje izinto zeni banipha imali nabo vele ayibona ukuthi it's a good idea ithathe baby mazagawa ngeke shem nabo last scene wearing tonton she was last scene wearing a pink dress cabanga uphumekini uthi uhamba nami jikijiki so lahlekile
Yeka kanjani?
It's not gonna work.
Wayeka.
Obvious, ngayeka. Wena ungayithatha?
Then I don't know any stripper so hey, but you know it's kinda it's tempting but also it's dangerous. So like wagcina uyithatha like this 60,000. Wagcina wenza njani?
Angizange ngize ngithathe. Yabo as I said ukuthi sikhulumene nama girls abanye vele bebathemthela ukuthi bayefuna imali. Mara still beksa trend ukuthi hayi shame abantu bayatshontsha umuntu she was last seen wearing a pink dress you understand so bengafuni into wrong mina nabazali babo bafone ukuthiwa Matilda mntanethu uphuma athi uhamba nawe jikijeka kasabuya you understand so mina into ngisho ukuthi okay if isihamba sonke ne at least call your parents batsho ukuthi sengicida ukwenza umsebenzi wami sengendaweni zami manje ngathi ukuthi ngibe ngihamba nawe mina ilanga lonke yabo so into yenzayo it's fine angeni ndawo mina lapho but ke kwayenze ukuthi engizochumana nengintombazana nje ngimeshile igama layo because yena makasho ukuthi she's a brand nowadays
okay
so these girls ngamtshutshuza ku business yami yabo naye bengifuna ukuthi ayenze imali ke bengafuni ukuthi nabe yi-strip or anything I was like unga-host because I do host emaklabhini I host I'm a club host as well yabo lokho lahamba nami Jozi bangayazi ke nje at all sahamba Benoni Jozi I'm not sure about Senten Sambile
but wait before move because manje yabona ukuthi soyajumpa soya komunye umuntu into engifuna ukuyazi kwakuyimalini imali additional since bebathi bafuna ukubathatha babayise endlini phela remember imali yayiko contract ngithi it was ama 20k which is it was going to be 60k in overall for the whole weekend then with this additional ukuthi bazobathatha bahambe nabendlini bekuyimalini yona
I can't disclose guys
how kanjani manje it's just the money angithi you giving us the figures
what if ke ngile ngadecide ukuyithatha ngintshela amaqiniso
how original
yebo so phela kiba ngalimase ngintshele ephaketheni lami ukuthi okay nginamalini manje.
No, that thing happened a long time ago.
How? You don't know most long time ago into.
When did it happen exactly?
Hayi, how?
Oh, intenzeke recent.
Let's continue with the conversation. Let's continue.
Mfethu kahle, don't spoil the fun.
I'm
Mfethu,
not
people
spoiling
wanna
the
know.
fun.
Yeah, but they'll be commenting. But like, but you know, you didn't get the full details. Let's see. Yeah, but
Angishafuna ama full details besibiza for part 2.
Oh,
Yabo?
yeah, that's
Simple.
true. Yini bewa ma Nigeria la befuna abantu. Oh.
Mara abantu bangale shem. Akusema Nigeria kuphela. Babizana Congolese. Yes. Pakistan, kuningi nje, kuningi Zimbabwe, kuningi. Nabantu abamnyama futhi ke.
Yeah.
Bakhona naba. But majority ile nhlobo yangale vele. Yeah.
okay, so give me the figures. Okay, estimate roughly how much was it?
It wasn't a lot. 30 something K
For each person.
for each person.
Yo, so it was like approaching 100 grand.
Hawu.
No, 100K.
Wona ufuna estimate nama estimate ukhona lo hlakaniphilo ozoyibamba. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
ngiyathola.
Ngiyabona.
Manje wena ubathola kanjani labo girl lama stripper nani?
Kule industry siyazana shem.
Niyazana.
Yazi especially mase kuma clubs ngiyakubona mase ukuthi hayi wena why ujive ngendlela ehlukile sometimes uyazizela nje masihlangana siphuza ayi mina chomi do you know what I do for a living yabo ngingakubuzanga nje
Yeah.
bese ke uyangitshela bese I take your number and then we talk yeah but abanye vele abantu kuvele dala ngibazi baba ku industry before mina ngifika nokufika so bekusilula ukuthi ngibathola abantu abanjalo but because of human trafficking guys I had to yabona ngime kancane.
Okay, okay. Moving forward, so you were saying there was this friend of yours who introduced her.
Yes, angamthojuza shem friend wami yazi shem ke. Ufriend wami bayangafaka into encane because she's I wouldn't say she's fat but mkhulunyana kunami. Yebo. So impilo yobubhedi bayangayazi shem. Bajwayele impilo yaselokishini. Ukapatiya wasekasi. You understand? Na isaka negama yamara ngelimention ngalimention abazombamba fast bese ngipha ama numbers. And angeke ke shem.
How?
So ugirl bengiloko ngimfaka kancane. See small street. Uthe girl sometimes ungangiboni ngifaka into ngathi ziyadura. Small street ngiyandlula mina ngithenga. For real guys. Mina into mangibona ukuthi yinhle ngiyayithenga. Anginge shop.
Okay.
Yes. When I do buy clothes online always. Mara mangibona small street ngidlula. Ngiyithatha mina.
Igucci khona la, particularly Gucci.
Awu. Khona iGucci. Ikhona iGucci shem. So manje ngibona ngifaka iGucci ningangijudge ngithenga small street and that's what I can afford. Asingajajani. Angisho imali yami.
Yeah, we judge, we listen, we don't
yeah,
judge.
listen, don't judge vele because even your celebrities they do wear fake Gucci's.
Hayibo.
They do.
Is it?
I'm telling you, they do.
How do you know?
Because okay, this other time me and my man went to Small Street because I told him, hey, dude, I might have a plug where they sell cheap sneakers wabona. So umuntu amvela kusumuntu Small Street shem. Yena uthenga amateki vele from the shop. So ngiyamtshela ukuthi mina ikhona iplug engilazi. So ngiyabona ama convince umuntu ukuthi aye. Then we went there and then I saw these TikTokers. I know them. They are very big on TikTok. But bathenga amateki lapha wama Nike wama 350. I'm telling you.
Oh, andaba.
Amagama bangibazi laba. If like bengibazi bengizobasho shem. But angwazi amagama wabo. But I think they are suits if I'm not mistaken. Umuntu kagelgena besijiva sonke lapha H2O. Uhleza se H2O ithanda kabi shem. Yeah, including Pavilion. So yeah. Ama celebrity wenu lawa. Ay Small Street.
Yo.
Ayaya kahle nje.
Ama influencer la.
Ama influencer. Yadlala wena.
Yo. Okay, so how many strippers do you have now? And you started with how many strippers like Mosaqan?
I started with three
Okay.
strippers.
Okay.
3. But I wouldn't say the strippers I have now, sign a contract with you, okay, now ni owner Matilda, no. It's not like that.
Okay.
Abantu ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukubabhuka. Noma ngikhali kuseshazini ngina 1K sondela, basondele. Yeah. But when it comes to bottle girls, yes, sis, I have more than 20 girls. Yeah, bottle girls are now qualified bottle girls. Kula bottle girls la khona ama actor phakathi.
Actor.
Famous actors, yes.
Ubani mhlambe okhona.
I can't disclose cause tell ukuthi kule agency yakhe abazi ukuthi uyibottle girl uyenza as a side hustle lento le, you understand. So but yeah, I do have.
Which means you guys make money, most.
We do make money. But our business anjala wa last gaming. Ukhumbula ukuthi it's easy man. Easy man akusinte last time. 3 months it's chai. Me lose nenye idea futhi. Yenye easy money again. You understand? So I business last time ngasho ukuthi le yama stripper. Yama stripper ya last shem. But not go wonke ama club cause manje we have a club edila ngathi now we've been having that club from a very long time ago bekhona vele bayibizani konje eHillbrow Summit Club.
Okay.
Yeah, iSummit Club inama stripper wayo and ayiwi ke shem hlezi that club is always booming each and every day. So you can't compete with that club, you understand? Especially if you're not a club when on your own, you are just a company. What are you? You are nothing compared to that club.
So what are the difficulties that you face, like in this stripping world, like?
People assuming I'm a stripper.
You're not.
I am not a stripper. I'm just an artist. I've never been one.
You've never been interested?
I've never been interested. Into bengithanda ukutwerk. So into engasho ukuthi being an exotic dancer into bengifuna ukuyenza but angizange ngiyenze. Ngeke ngazifundela nje. Kekho umuntu ongifundisile. So now I took that knowledge, gave it to some other girls abafuna ukuba ama exotic dancer nabo.
How do you keep your business like booming? Because we are shukuti abanye bayawa and stuff and etc. How do you keep your business like flowing?
I don't keep my business flowing because akusinto enginayo kuphela engiyenzayo. Zikhona izinto engizenzayo futhi.
Njengani?
Ikhona company engisebenzelayo. It's a legit company. It's called Ghetoflix.
Okay.
It's a streaming platform for movies, series, music, etc.
When's that up?
So I'm just promoting the company. So if they need ama models, I also have ama models. Ngiyabafaka laphaya. Yabo. So yeah, if ugiyawa ngale ikhona ibackup enginayo. Cause I shem le business le ngathi noma ushika as last lezi zinto lezo guys. Ayikho into ongayenza ukuthi ivuke. Ungayenzani wena? Tell me right now. Let's say you had strippers. Cause ama club on its own ayawa.
Yeah.
Yabo. They can book abodali wonga, they can book abamaphorisa. Izogcwala for that 1 or 2 days and then yawa. So thina si company ama stripper nama exotic dancers sizoyenza njani? You see? It's better ukuthi ube ne plan B.
And then there are these girls ababiza ngama dragon. What kind of girls are that?
Dragon?
Yeah, like in the clubs.
I have no idea, guys.
Is
Dragon?
Yeah. I've heard such word like Akulunya. You've never heard of such?
No, tell me more.
I don't know. Hence I wanted to find out from a club hoster.
Guys, dragons.
Kanti ama categories akhona. What are they like in the club? Kona na.
Baddies.
Baddies, yeah.
Those are my baddies, Sina.
Slay queens.
Slay queens, wabona. I am a dragon. I'm a dragon or maybe.
I don't know.
Cause when umuntu mangithi uyi dragon and it means they're ugly.
Is it?
Yes.
Ngiyakutshela. Why? I-dragon kanti it's because of i-dragon yimbi. Is it that the
dragon,
case?
Shem. Dragon yimbi.
Yo.
So mina once ngathi hey wena uyi-dragon, consider yourself ugly. Finish. Mara ngizoyibuzisa kahle ke leyo ukuthi hayibo guys sesidinga i-category kuthiwa ama-dragon.
No, it's something that it's what I've heard, yabo. It's not facts, it's not what, it's just something that I wanted to know from someone who's in that field, yabo. If you're not aware of such, it's fine.
Okay, so did you know ukuthi khona a pill abayibiza ukuthi umgwinyo, which is similar to intash, eseculateayo nje.
Yenzani?
Bathi ipha abantu ama-energy allegedly. Ifana nentash.
So ikuphi energy, like ube ne-energy on what, in sex or?
Yonke into groove, you hardly get drunk.
Okay.
When you are drunk mara you can see gore hey.
Ini kamala little PDC?
Umgwinyo.
Umgwinyo.
Yes.
Litholakala kuphi?
I don't know. But umuntu oyibhemile uyambona kuba ngathi ubhemi iflaka. I don't know if you've heard of iflaka.
Iflaka, what's
There's
that?
a drug called iflaka.
Yeah.
That one is a very demonic drug.
Kanjani?
Hey guys. Okay, I had a brother ebekabhema iflaka. So iflaka yenza ukuthi ube aggressive. Uyabona ufila ngathi you are immortal. Yabo you can do anything. You can ungajump ungame ku rooftop ujumpe. Ube ngathi angeke ngife. But it's dangerous. Ngoba you can hurt people.
You can die, you can even die like yourself.
You can die
like,
as well,
yes,
yeah. Yes. So umgwinyo wenza ukuthi ube active ke, you don't sleep, you dance. Awufuni ukuhlala phansi nje, you just wanna loiter around, wabona? Yeah.
Have you done drugs before?
Not at all. Not at all.
But then kula club like but you've collaborated like with people mhlambe who do drugs.
Yeah. Angishona ngapha bekune family member ebhema ama drugs. I mean uyabona ukuthi kini kuyabheda. Umuntu mabhema ama drugs wenzakala so bese namphinde ngayenza. Engele ngaba ne trauma mina guys. I've been through a lot honestly.
Like what?
Because of because of my brother beka addict bekabhema iflaka. Yabo. Shuthi cocaine uyayiyeka. You understand? The normal drug esijwayele. When ulanda iflaka into ehlanyisanyayo. So yamhlanyisa iflaka and then he killed my uncle, wabona.
Yo.
Yes.
He killed him?
Yes, he did. Wamfaka isibhamu emlomeni. Wamdubula. So
but where did he get the gun? Was he a gangster or what?
No, okay, ekhaya kune ibhamu.
Oh.
Yes, okay. Ubaba muyisotsha so kuno half brother wami naye unesibhamu sakhe. So naye the guy bekanesibhamu because my uncle had a gun for safety. Wabona. So I think he knew he passed in his password from the safe. Yeah, so he was demanding imali. So yamtshela ukuthi I don't have money. He was like, you're embarrassing me in front of my girl. Wabona, just give me money so I can go out. Cause Makula, I think he was a spoiled kid. Wabona. Next thing we keep his spam from the safe yamdubula. And then we pretend ngathi endlini bangenile. It was a house robbery. Wabona, even shot izinja cause we had dogs. Even shots izinja kube ngathi hayi kunabantu abangenile wadubula ne door handle babona. By that time ngikushoot ke mina ke I'm shooting a music video. And then my mom called was like, dude, you need to come back home. Hayibo, why? Cause I'm still shooting. Like, ungatsheli muntu, don't even tell your younger brother. Umuntu sona ka so ushonile wenzakala sona so come home. Mangifika endlini vele ngiyabona ekhaya ku10 abana makushoniwe ku10. They're like, asigibele taxi, we need to go to my uncle's place. When we got there, istrati lesikhulu kuba ngathi main road ivaliwe amaphoyisa.
But how was that person sick if he was managed to make it look like there was an armed robbery or a house breaking?
Hayi mina yazi lemapilisi lawa ya or amapilisi or powder I don't know shem. Bo amenza ngendlela cause masifika simthola dakiwe. Yabo. Khobana udubula abantu but sikuthole ku crime scene. Now kube ngathi uceda ukufika. He was that smart. He's like, I don't know what happened. Yabona, I found him like this. He was even drunk. Imagine. I mean, your dad died when now you are drunk. You don't even give a shit. You're not even crying.
That's his dad that he shot?
Yes.
Hayibo.
Bangakhali nokukhala. uyasho ukuthi uthole endlini kusona kaso. He even took his car and then walokela Roma around the hood. So emsebenzini they call like hayibo duty imoto akhomela ngabe ipakile why lokeli ihamba bamthole efonini. They call my mom. Uthi imoto lokeli busy ya circulator la what's happening?
Yeah.
Yabo. Wabuya nemoto makabuya mapolice ambuza ukuthi wenzeni or what happened like angenzanga next I don't know. And then later around 10 p.m.
Yeah.
azomlanda amaphoyisa gibela phezulu kwendla khipha amakhadi. Shuthi uthatha amakhadi hamba wayedraw maqeda kumbulala wayedraw waphutha phezulu. Yes. And then uqala ukuconfessa I think after a month because iyela ahlala ku system yakhe. Mabasho je they were like ayikho into abazenza because that person is still high. So mele bamlini ukuthi lento detox iphume. So if like thatha isikhathi ukuphuma.
So
some months
bambophe kanjani engaconfessanga amaphoyisa?
Bambopha njalo igirlfriend yakhe ngasigcine confessile kuqala ukuthi what happened. So naye beyaconfessa ngama cut and paste. It's like yeah, I don't regret what I did. And then athule. Following day again they must start all over again to interrogate him obon until they got enough information vele to arrest him fully. Yabona. So it had isikhathi for him to remember what he did.
No. So where is he now?
In jail.
Like is he all right now?
Yeah, he's fine. I don't think he's fine because uthe nabona after killing his dad, he became a gangster, like some real thug. Cause
in jail?
No, yellow apuma. Imagine, dog.
Yellow apuma
system.
For what good reason?
I don't know. I think he was on parole or something.
Yeah.
Then wapuma.
Parole bangakambophi. It doesn't make sense.
No,
maybe it could be bail or something.
Uyele wangena for some time. And then jiki we heard ukuthi uzophuma on parole yabo because bega behavior apparently. So they called my mom and my grandmother ukuthi baye ejele and then he was asking forgiveness. So ejele they requested ukuthi ekhaya bamxolele for what he did. I was like, how is it possible? So shuthi wonke umuntu commits a crime babiza ama victims ukuthi bazoxolelana. You understand? And then waphuma walokela commit ama crimes aya jail assaulting people, understand?
What kind of crimes?
Killing.
Killing again.
Yes. Killing, yes. Because bekunama rumor. There's even a video circulating yasekhaya kuthiwa you know kulendlu lena asikwazi ungena because there's a tag ohlala la. Uyasaba awusaba a community. You understand? Because of what? Flaga. Mangiba futhi ama rumor allegedly kuthiwa he was also selling drugs nangapha. I don't think iflaga seka afford manje because bengasasebenzi. Uthe makayejele he lost his job obviously. But I think he was smoking lama drugs lawa cheap manje.
What kind of a work was? What was his occupation?
Bekasebenza e-pharmacy.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think na begu simple ukuthi akwazi ukuthola ama drugs lawo, you understand. So manje mangiva again thiwa uboshiwe. But I don't know for what cause angilandelele ngoba lento intraumatizile so angifuna ukuba traumatized even now. I mean lento yakhe yenzakale 2017 July or June if I'm not mistaken, nge 5. Yabona. Icala khona liphela. I don't understand ukuthi okay why abulalile next thing bangamuphi in bayibiza udilika jail or something baloko bamkhipha
life sentence.
Exactly because lokho liyaphuma lo muntu lo. Ngaphuma manje umthole. He is danger for your community yakhe mara ay sizawuthini.
When was the last time you saw him?
It was I think not even 4 years, maybe 3 years ago I saw him at police station. Yeah, nami nje khona umuntu ele wangilimaza so I had to go to a police station yovula case and stuff.
Ulimaza for what now?
Yebo, ngikapenya ifone emlomeni.
Yo.
Hey. Mind you, I had a ring on my abayibiza ngani. I wouldn't say teeth. This khona lenyama yala phezulu. I had a smiley ring, yes. So wankapa bese ngalimala. Bese ngihlangana naye lapha e police station.
Was it your boyfriend?
Not at all. It was a boyfriend, ex best friend yami. Bebam abuser so bengizama ukumlwela, you understand? Umuntu abuser ngiphinde ngimlwele mina. Mase fika amaphoyisa ujika yonke into.
Yo.
Yasala ngami indaba.
Isala ngawe manje.
Hawu. ngithi bamuhlukumeza ugel yasala ngami indaba ngafunda lapho ukuthi indawo zabantu abayi2 especially aba-abusayo ungazingeni shem ngoba usala nawo wamcolela ucela umuntu okutrapayo yasala ngami indaba bana nomntwana ke.
Have you ever been when like in an abusive relationship?
Yeah, shem yazi.
Bebak abuser in what way when?
That one I wouldn't say we abusive relationship yabo. It was a guy ukuthi bekangishela bengamthandi mina.
Okay.
So wayijolisa nami. Angimcomanga but wayijolisa nami. Serious. So esikolweni.
Okay.
No, I'm confused. Uyijolise kanjani?
It's like uyangishela manje ukuthi
Yeah.
ngikufuni.
Hey.
You know where I stay. Yazi ngifunda phi.
Okay.
After school uzongitshela ukuthi ayisave imali yakhe transport ngizokulanda ngikuse eKasi. You understand? Save imali yakhe lunch, nayo imali yakhe lunch because unomuntu wami. You understand?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bekuyilento leyo ke.
Okay, yeah.
So that guy bekayi gangster ke.
Okay.
A real gangster. That one bakashaya ama heist and everything. Unfortunately he died. Bele bambula because angazi ungene ku territory kazibanibani yama drugs and whatsoever but yeah. Yele into engenza usingihlokane naye ukuthi hayi okay angicomanga mara semile sihlukane think about it.
Yo. Hayibo.
So when Karis Kafsini ngesikolweni he was hungry like okay nice Kafsini sam and ben kera ngitapaway abaza bazali tapaway abafuna kanjani mangibuye esikolweni ngiya-attenda the following day like hey dude mama ufuna itapaway yakho uyabona ukuthi khona into eshodayo la hayi uzoyilanda kusasa ekuseni moya esikolweni u-attend aze ekuseni like come to my house when I go to his place he locked the door keep him as well keep his palm wathi choose ufuna ukufa ngani because uyangilahla it was that situation again.
Damn it. So kahle yena akalahleki kahle.
Akalahleki. Mangilokole ngiscreama. Mangilokole ngiscream okay because he had a room outside ne. Mangilokole ngiscream usisi wakhe he's like she's like hayibo mosungene azi ukuthi unjani uguy. Hayibo ngene ngazi ukuthi unjani. I mean ngiyascream uyavuka ukuthi konke yenzakalayo but as usisomdala why don't you come erumini and see what's happening? Angayihluphe shem. I had to like angazi soften the guy ukuthi abe right this way can bona get out and run away. It was that situation. I felt like I'm gonna die.
So, Jolise now, did he ever like
Smash.
force himself like to you?
He tried. Same day he tried.
Did you give him the cookie?
No, I didn't, Shem.
So akakazaitho umguy.
Not at all. Cause he had ama beats wama sangoma nan. So when I feel comfortable, I was like, even if I choose to give this guy virginity,
you were a virgin.
I was still a virgin by that time, yes.
Okay.
So ufaki ama beats are red, ton ngapho things ama drugs like ane.
Ubeyisangoma kahle noma beyithwasa.
Nebe ngasisangoma. He told me ukuthi his mom was a sangoma.
Oh.
But when like bongana indoda nje usuthola iboyfriend.
No, benganayo shem ne. Bengasumuntu omujola that much by that time. And then wangifaka impamanyana ezi2-3 nyana. And then wangkhama fainted. I thought vele sengishonile. Guys, ukufa ngiyakwazi shem mina. Ngiyakwazi ukufa.
From lo mfeintwana nyana.
Ngizwile, makangikhama.
Okay.
It felt like you were in heaven.
Ngivile umphefumulo uphuma kimi. Kuloso kusele 1% ukuthi uphume. Guys, yabona that situation? Yabona lento enibona kuma movie?
Yeah.
Hayi. Iwese indlela lento oyibonayo. It was real, guys. It was real. Imagine uyahamba ngapha uzama ukungikhulula. Ufuna iphusi. Ngiyalwa. Anginamandla ngawo. Until ngathula. Mase ngivuka shema yazini like la kazange zangenza next. I guess bakafuna kwezinto yakhe ngivukile. Akwazi ukubona into ayenzayo. And then wakhipha ama drugs wabhema. So I knew ukuthi hayi this person makaloko la bhema ngahle ama drugs amuphi energy ukuthi ithaqhubeka ngalento yakhe. And then lo linyakhala nenyembezi zikhathela ukuphuma phela senginemali ungishayile phela umuntu lo. Ngikhathela ukukhala and then wanginikeza amapilisi nyana ayi2. Wathi phuza amapilisi lawo uzoba right ama painkiller. In my mind I'm like ngiyazi usungithengisa ama drugs. Wayifuna leli drug. Ngalibamba so ngilibeka la. Ngathi then I drank water. Ngizange ngiphuze ipilisi next minute. Uthe makavula umnyango gone.
Wabaleka.
Yaphela kanjalo indaba yami naye. Mara obvious phela nginababhulu bamagabhadi yeshem. Kodwa mahlangana naye vele. Hayi naye wathuka umuthi kancane, yabo.
So awena uzange umreport nase police station.
Beku useless. It was very useless because bayamaza amaphoyisa labantu laba mos. Beku useless. I was like it's fine because bekalokela ngistalk after lento le before ubhuti amamthola before vele ngibatshela because ekhaya bengisabi ukuthi bazothini yabo. So ngatshela ubhuti wami. So manje esikolweni bayazi ukuthi ifaka ngithole khona uzongithola ku main road. Ku main road he was like okay yabona if awangixolili I'm gonna kill your family. Hey, you gonna kill my family? Kanjani my? Nami ngathi okay because very you just had a kid. Now I'm also gonna kill your child, okay? It's gonna be even like that, wabona. So besiphilisana kanjalo until ahlangana nobhuti wami then izinto zaba right. But I forgave him. Because nami ngiziblamile ukuthi nami ngiyaphapha bengiyapi.
Shuthi usisi wakhe be right me sho kanjalo.
Shuthi beka right to understand okay bengimncane ne but I feel like ngoba uyi umuntu omdala kumele ukuthi angibuzile eceleni angishemaza umntana kibi ukuthi unjani. Angibuzile eceleni. And then a week after ibaby mama yakhe iyangitexta. She's like yeah wena wayifika bophisa umuntu wami khona amacishe wangibulala umuntu because of wena wena bomlahla ukulayile so please don't go around circulation false information about him. How am I circulating false information about umuntu ocishe wangibulala vele iqiniso naye bacishe bamenza the same thing because ugel utholile ngami. Uyabona. So ugel ngathi yena ngabe ambrainwashilo anything wangithuka.
Yo
I'm telling you.
Yo. Mfethu nawo lama experience mfethu.
Hi Shem.
Do you have an experience like of dating like someone like who's rich?
I do have. And it wasn't nice.
It wasn't?
It wasn't nice.
Yeah, but come on, wait, like mhlambe hamba ngemoto fancy whatsoever.
It wasn't nice, Shem, for me na.
Why do you say that?
Because balukela ngenza ngifile ngathi ngiphuwa yena rich, you understand?
Serious?
Yeah.
Kanjani?
Lawyer. Mina uzokuthengela ipizza seyikonje aqala ukudla ipizza ngami. I'm telling you. Hey konje aqala ukudla ipizza. Udla kanjani mara? Like you understand? Davidson ke kune mall esibiza iLakeside Mall. Hey konje aqala ukuhamba uye eBhinono ungagibeli itaxi. Like why? So mina ngisumuntu efoken knife. Till today angikwazi ukudla ngale nonsense le. Ngidla ngezandla ke mina.
Serious?
Yes. Hey yabona abo farm Julia. Yo, Nkosami why mina uzenza ngifile so? I mean as umuntu amele ungifundisa ngisho. So lebe kayenza sure ukuthi ungenza ngifile leyo pressure ukuthi unemali. Yabo.
But ayikho into akwenzela yona mhlambe ukutshengisa ukuthi ufile nawe uthi isigaba nemali.
Ayikho bra. Ayikho. Bengifila intimidated nje that's all. Ayikho into enhle nge-enjoy ngalomjolo ayikho.
Ubani oshela omunye kanti?
It was him.
But then if kanti ayikishelelani if cause I think why portray njengomuntu onjani like my approach
njengomuntu ofana nami.
Okay.
You understand umuntu ozokhelayo uJohnny Walker jikijiki unemoto you are driving. Yabo. Mangisa kwakhe yes indla yakhe beyinhle shem.
Serious?
Beyinhle ena sihlangane elona eBram with this guy. So wathi vele ufuna ukubona ekhaya yabo memthu ngihlala eDavidson wathi okay masifike kaSlam wathi uhlala kuma village yo I'm telling you kuma village eDavidson village ngabona ukuthi la akuna future shem akuna future. Kancane he'd mention sex. Kancane nje when you mention sex. You don't do that.
Did he smash?
No.
Yeah, sis lapho nje ku-sex. What kind of a sex do you prefer? Any. What's any?
Sex is sex, man.
But remember, sex is sex, but there's a way. Like, obviously as guys, we've got like different ways like of executing, like you see, the cookie. Yeah, so when what satisfies you as a woman? What kind of like, is it styles or like is it maybe cuddling before he put it in? Like, well, what is exactly that satisfies you?
What if I don't know? What if I don't pay attention?
You just go with the flow.
Yes.
No, that's what I want to know. What is it exactly?
What if I don't know? I don't pay attention. Yazi ukhona umuntu wenza ukuthi man enjoy yonke into. From the kiss, yabona, to the babes, you understand? But ukhona umuntu ozopay attention ke ukuthi lo ngigugile sangena eminyango wangiwisa wangidobha wangibeka esifeni, you understand? So I don't pay attention. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Which means so you want me to ask do you prefer rough sex or soft sex?
Hey, Malawi, I wasn't expecting that question. Do I really have to answer?
Yes.
What happens if I don't answer?
No, you must answer. Nothing happens. You just need to answer.
I don't have a preference.
Okay.
Yeah, it depends. Ukuthi ubani. Kuya ngokuthi ngubani.
Hey, madoda.
Hamba izindawo ezinjani.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No, ngiyakuzwa. And there's this thing that people normally says, I think when you've got an experience of dating like people who are rich, as you've just said, then I don't know, with dating broke guys and gangsters and etc. Like, is it true with like guys that are broke, they know how to execute like those guys who say, hey. What? All the time in the world. They say that. But no, I don't know, like it's like they study a woman. I need to put this thing there.
Trust me, those guys abanana isikhathi sokufunda umuntu wesifazane honestly shem, because that nigga is stressed as fuck.
Yeah.
We understand. So basically what he do ukuthi akhiphe stress sakhe kuwe.
Oh, that's how it's like.
Yeah. It's like dating a rich person. A rich person doesn't have time, I guess. So he's gonna smash for like 5 minutes and then he vies.
Yeah.
Unesikhathi sokuthi akufunda ukuthi yo konje uma ngembamba lana kwenzakala lana ne, he doesn't have. Same applies to a broke guy. But so stress semali ukuthi I need to
but there are guys, man, who don't stress that much about money.
Yeah.
As long as if you promise to give them the cookie, I'm very too. That's the only thing that makes them happy. Because they'll try by all means to enjoy to the fullest.
It means umuntu akafocusanga ngisho empilweni. Serious, it means akafocusanga empilweni. If wena uzofaka isex engqondweni yakho, si broke okay sajola manje ne. Asazi siyodlala unicabanga ne sex.
Kanimela acabangeni.
Cabanga ukuthi okay ngiyobamba bani inkunzi. You understand? Like, do something, be productive. Do something with your life. Silambile la wona ucabanga uyangihalela. Yes. Yo. Ngeke.
Akwazi.
Yeah, angitshela yini attractor ama-girls amaningi kuma-gangster?
Yazini, I think abona siyatsotsitala.
Yeah.
Nami yang-attractor shem.
Serious?
Exactly. Yabona umuntu amsangibiza ngumamasi. Alright mama. Ngifila ngathi angazi uthini. Ngathi uthi Queen Latifah or something. I don't know.
Hey,
man. And he's not even gangster ne.
Yeah.
But their language, bruh.
Oh, it's the language.
It's the language. Akusi lifestyle hayo.
Uyabhora nomfana usontayo.
Osontayo?
Yeah, goes to church.
Yeah, I was
Yo,
straightforward.
guys, yes.
Yeah.
Kengajula naye.
Yeah.
Lo yegama lakho bane lo yanginami anginendaba nokumishile lo because he's a nobody lo ya igama lakho banele.
Skisi banele.
Ungasaskisi. For what?
Hayibo.
His name was Banele Hlabangana. I even remember his surname. Uhlale Twatwa. The people they own a shop, a blue shop. That guy.
Yeah.
Ukhobanene yena self beka insecure.
Yeah.
But bekazongenza ukuthi nami ngifeel insecure because you know insecure akazithembi. You understand? Bengana self esteem. So ngenza ukuthi nami ngibe nani ni low self esteem. Ulo yabona mangifikela nje ngitshela ukuthi uyazi manje ne angijoni nomuntu uzothi don't weigh into engaka I don't like it. Lo ibe kanjalo ke oratha ugcoye kabi.
Oh.
Awuna amanye amateki. You understand? Because yena shibe kasebenza by that time.
Yeah.
He could afford lento afuna ukuzigcoka. So bengaza ngifile poor. That guy I don't miss him shem nakancane. I hated that relationship. Yo masiphuma athi hayi mele ngikuthengele something shem.
Yeah.
Like skipa sakho siphuphile. Yo
Ubekuthengela by the way.
yena shem ngagcina ngimtshela ukuthi okay ngaba mina ngishanga nazo impahla so ngithengele shem ke.
Yeah.
Khulu complain namarubuthenga.
Yeah.
And then why okay either fixing yaze ngaye shem I won't lie. Wangifaka ku the fix wangithengela kwaba right ke no guy. But nje uguy ayibengathi lo muntu lo angazi man cool guy masicala ukujola it was nice because manicala ukujola umuntu okhipha ama true colors you understand.
Yeah.
So okay ngine eczema emakhwapheni. So bana ungijudge wena ubhizuzi no emakhwapha what's happening ngine eczema. Kwapha kamnyama yazimela ukiri insila ngine eczema ayikho into engingayenza noma ngingakira if ngikira ngizolimala uzobona sengibleeda bonisa ukuthi akusinsila ngine eczema buy me E45 if you're not comfortable in eczema yami ke
E45 cream.
exactly you understand. So mangiphuma ebusuku athe yangithanda ukuthi wena uyaphuza intombazane ephuzayo and stuff nani mawuze ekhaya manje uzofaka iduku gqoka jean I'm telling you.
Yeah.
He was like that till Gosam until okay bamdlisile okay ngifike lapho kakhulu mara bamdlisayo guy. So jiki seka ibona again yena seka esontweni nami lingisontweni. Sharp mina I don't mind going to church. Ngiya esontweni mina ngisonto Zion by the way.
Oh, you say
Yes. So I do go to church. Mangithola isikhathi nokwenza. Ayikuthi always but ngisakhula ibe kuyinto vele ukuthi every Sunday. Clicks esontweni but my sengimdala I don't get time to go to church you understand. But when I have the time ngiya esontweni. Ngimtshela mina baby ngiyesontweni angangikhola ukuthi ngiyesontweni umuntu. Ufuna ngiyekele lakhe labo born again abo Christian. You understand? Until ahlangana nentombazane kuhuye abazwanayo because bengabelieve kuma ancestors uguy. Cabanga semele siyajoya manje siargue ngama ancestor. Into edoma kanje. Yo. I'm telling you. Yo. Semele manje. Yena ekibe basonto ezethisi ke. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi ubaba wami usonto ezethisi kwayena.
Yeah.
But ama ancestor into ekhona guys. Ne athi emne ekhaya sishisa impepho. Mara ekini niyalobola, ekini you do slaughter a cow.
Yeah.
Ibizwana are you not sacrificing? Ngoba you are. Semele manje si debate ngalento leyo. Mangicala ngithi kuyazi mina mele ngiyoconsulta. You should speak to God. God is the only answer. God there's a God what. But lenkasadliswe bakaphuza imbiza. Vele ubona ukuthi loku semele kukhule shemkamampela loku lo mdala ngeage but ngikwenqondo sesemncane. You understand? Amadlozi amademoni. Ujoyina lo muntu lo every day mina argue ke. Ngithi babukela ama video lawa ya hypnotizer nalawa ya ilawe ingqondo ukuthi angazi long time ago angazi i-brain yakho beyenzana ngazi uGod in those videos on YouTube every day ngimthola bukele wona ngimkhuze dude la feel la hypnotizer la
so yini like wena bomthanda because obviously most of the things that he would do bongazithandi
bengazithandi
So,
inabe
yini?
ngimthanda yazi
Oh.
inabe ngimthanda shem ngimtshela yazi ngiyakuthanda kodwa ay into ozenzayo hayi
It's
mangani
off,
it's
it's
off
off.
bra beka weird like very weird I'm telling you very weird okay he used to drink ne
Yeah.
wastopha jiki sakayaphuza again so mase ngiphuza mina ngiphuze naye mina
sekayaphuza
Ku-wrong.
safuna ukuphuza nawe
ku-wrong ukuthi manje mayengicala ngithi mina ngizele Jojo ngiyosebenza hey ukusebenza ebusuku akho right in lesikhathi mina him sine business cause abana mina majola nami shem awu bra
Ngene business.
hayi mina shem umjole kimi it's a business honestly ngiyangijola nawe utluless do
Serious?
something with your life
eh
serious do something with your life
Oh yeah.
I can't be the only one who's struggling you understand
yeah who stresses about money
yes bese
Yes.
wena free angeke mina ngikhule kanjalo shem
mhlawumbe ufuna nje just ukushaya nje kuphela
cabanga angeke shem mina ngifuna umuntu ohluzile ekhanda
Yeah.
so yena mangijoya naye shem okay beka ne business but bewile ngathi okay sharp singayivusa siye 50-50 I'll fund the business I do have the money because bengasol allowance ekhaya and then we did that
Yeah.
business was booming sedle imali left right and center but yena chiki sakayangijaja ukuthi ngenza music makanayi bekayenza music so yena uyekile maye kuthiwe music ivule I'm telling you bengathi ungambuza or maybe ku counseling
Yeah.
kuthi like guy are you fine kahle like emotional spiritual mali bayathanda ukumention ukuthi lento eyenzakala kiba kayithandi manje bakhe bahlezi balwa so akakhulanga kahle ufila ngathi angazi akanathando something like that so nje beka abnormal mfana wakhona
Yo.
ngathabona mfana inkinga ngasamfuni no motion
Yeah.
mangifaka imikapa athaye kufanele hey I'm telling you
ufuna natural yeah
nanoma nginatural
Yeah.
khona nje something nje azoyisho ukuthi ayimfanele lesikhathi yena unento lifetime engamfanele
yini le
into ayofana engamfanele
yini le
singayimention angifuni makayibukela athi ngikhohlakele but hayi naye uyazi ukuthi unane yakhe bengafuni ukuyifix ukubona ngikuthande nobudisability bakho yes it was like that ke mara mina
Disability.
ngijajwa shem abangani bakhe bayabhema bayenzani mangicala ngithi ngibhema ihabli is evil like yonke into evil we must do things by the book lapha
by the bible
yes ngiphila kabuhlungu shem
so agcina wenza njani agcina umlahla
yo silahlane ngasiyini ulahle mina shuthi
sakhathele wo
shuthi guys yazi into engithanda ngami my Zulu is very broken yazi yo into engithanda ngami ukuthi I move on before we break up
Yeah.
that's me
Oh wena boso move on.
wena
mina
usokade
kade ngamove on mina
Yeah.
ukhobana ngikhuluma nokukhumbula phela ngisho bese ngiphile eJoburg nose Davidson Davidson ayisekho ekhanda nokuthi wena ukhona le namademoni wakho ngisakucabangi mina so bekunjalo ngayithola omusha
Yeah.
omusha shem naye kanti unenkinga zakhe but yena beka nama attachment issues ku ex angafuni ukumove on ex yakhe yabona serious
uphume inkingeni uzongena kwezinye inkinga futhi
dude hayi yabona lo yake shem at least bekubhetha lo uthe makathi it's over blah athi we need to talk him and I'm like I already know why awukhuluma ungilahle sicede ngoba mina sengimove on lana sengiride la ngikhona kanti la ngikhona khona kuyafana umuntu ujona umuntu una attachment issues ke akutshela ukuthi ukhumbula umuntu wakhe ni ex yakhe ayimfuni blah 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 nana but ke into engichaza ngenhliziyo yami ukuthi angisheshi ngibe attached ke mina mawubheda I continue hunting
okay
yes until I
oh
got
none you girls you do hunt ne
we do hands yazi ngithe nama ngithiwa the guy I'm dating right now ha that guy Shuthi ungenze ngalahla lo guy beka attached ku ex yakhe. Same time. I'm telling you, I didn't even waste time. Uguy langwaste ngaze ngayibona emfaneni.
What is that now?
Impatho yakhe.
Yeah.
Everything. I was like, this one is the one.
This one is the one, ane?
This one is the one. Yo. But angifuni admit ukuthi senginama feelings on crush ku guy. Cause uguy maqala ukungibona. Hey, yazi umuntu amqongibona guys. He thought bengunyawupe egelinyana so. Because sihlangane e-studio sakantoshikazi Mr. John Vulegate. So bengisemsebenzini eGeorge, then I ran away, then I went to the studio, and then mangifika I slept and it was dark and he was busy making beats. So he thought this one uyabhema yabona, even with yami it was messy, like nyawupenyana lo. Nyawupe, until he saw me the following day looking all fly.
Yo
Wabona. Like, yeah, damn, can't do it like this. Because even saw my pictures, could say, muhle so guy, I mean, okay, yabo. But satisfied ukuhlangana because bekasafunda by that time. Na eshemile engineering school, by the way. So somebody to say educated.
Hey, my daughter.
So mangitshela phela my boyfriend, the one who's attached to his ex. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi hey phela there's this guy yabona hey uyanginakela mangise studio yabo anginendaba ukuthi lo feel kanjani angisho
umtshela live
yes I tell you there's this guy ngitshela ukuthi hey umbona nje ubhuta lapha ku background uthema ngangibheka ngachameka lesikhathi my boyfriend I'm telling you kuthi uyanginakela wangiphi imali ukugibela ukudla and everything
but you're not afraid ukuthi mhlambe angakushaya aggressive towards wena
hey wo kubulala mina
Then reaction yakhe itheni after umtshela?
Into zakhe ebhlungu understand abantu benganendaba ngisho nawe attached ku ex yakho so ayimele ngibe nendaba mina ngithola happiness and by that time uNtamba kasinomuntu kwanaye you understand leyo bengingafika ekhaya ukuthi sinabantu sobayi2 mina I was ready to break up with my man immediately
with immediate effect
yes
Ngiyabuza ngophela na ngithi ubekutshela ngomuntu wakhe ungathola ukuthi mhlawumbe ubenzela wena ukuthi ulibele uhlabeka or something.
I went to chaza with that guy ne. You love honest from the get go. One thing about that guy ukuthi makazojoina uyakutshela ukuthi babela mina I'm dating umuntu osona kaso.
Yeah.
Are you in or out? And we have to respect ukuthi kunomunye umuntu. Simple. Akuyinto zibe complicated no.
So what admits or not no it's fine.
Ne, ukhumbula situation way different and sana mina ngifike vele shemba ku break up pending. Pending breakup, you understand? So it was easy for me. Yabo. But I feel like uguy na uthatha isikhathi ukungibona ukuthi kahle ngumuntu right, you understand? Ngiyangibona mina njani phela kuma social media and stuff. So I feel like now he was a little bit of insecure nyana nje amancane. But I think after 6 months or 7 months, 8 months, wabona ukuthi abona this one is for keeps.
This one okay.
So, he's the first guy ungangijudge ke lo yeke. In my entire life I've dated so many guys but that one when I'm wearing into engaka how yang compliment oh baby awusemuhle. Ele weave yakufanela all this makeup or type baby shala khalingana. Hamba lungisa. You understand? Laba ngibuya kubo futhi loya lo ama demon loya athi awumbisheni
maybe uyabona njenge demon or something
but why lesikhathini into ebhlungu ukuthi I always try to fit in because he's my man yebo ukuthi this one is a Bible lover let me read the Bible I have a Bible efonini yami I'm telling you I even bought an iPhone because of him it's okay let us have my iPhone so by 2 okay you understand because angina phone mele sithandaze every day yo guys it was ebekukuningi shame mele kube nokudla
ngiyathandaza
before sex benthandaza
bengekho nokuba khona shame
beyakuncisha
ibe khona for some time after lapha izange saba khona
ubani bekancisha omunye
it was him obviously ekutshela ukuthi yena he's fasting I'm telling you don't laugh
you fasting sex man
yeah I think he's fasting
uyafasta hey amadoda alambile yena uyafasta hayi this guy
This guy, we must call a conference for him. No, he needs to come to the men's conference. Aye.
Lewo sikhathi vele. Guys. Best friend yakhe.
Yeah.
How mna ngimangele. He's like, okay, my friends are gonna come over. So we're gonna buy drinks and then we chill. I wanna we have fun. Sharp.
Yeah.
Afika abo best friend, the so-called best friend.
Yeah.
Best friend lo. Nyamazi.
That's my kind.
Me and the best friend back in high school.
Yeah.
Best friend ile wa hosta Versace house party because indla kibo ye Versace.
Yeah.
Igate le Versace, indlu ye Versace. You understand? So we were hosting Versace house party. Then I went there with my other friend, kwaba mnandi.
Yeah.
After lapho, or before lapho, me and the Versace guy were trying to have a thing, create some relationship nyana, you understand? So unfortunately, I think it's pass. Sengimangele manje my guy athi my best friends are coming over. Mangithi best friend ngiyamazi. Ngathi le ngifanayo le. Kanti nayo guy uzothula, but I feel like abo best friend wami influence ukuthi uMatilda mathaka sentomzane right lo.
Yeah.
Uyangaba influence ukuthi hayi man ungamthembi lo. Ana bengithembakala shem yazi nangiyathembakala ke shem.
Serious?
Assurance manje ku assurance shem. Uba nayo.
Yeah.
Mara ngabona ukuthi hayi lona bayikha ipass jikijiki sajikela abangani bakhe because bangamakhe ba different bayiphuzela bayibhemela insango bayijivela yena ka jive Sunday yesontweni makubuye emsebenzini ohlelo pushing the business, you understand? Hayi ke business enginveste kuyo phela. One kick her out.
Yo.
I'm telling you.
Hayibo.
One kick her out phela umsamari olungileyo. And then what date haningi sugar mama ntombazane emdala nakuye. Basonta bonke. And then cause me and him we besithanda ukupost content. Okay, i-content bengayipost that much le engathi yomutheko cause bengayifuna ngisho ngimhlonipha ubaby. So maka posta yena no sugar mama yakhe wena caves ne esenkulu and ba comment bathi yeah this one is the one. Lona upakile in like shem I don't give a shit. Asn't ibhlungu mojana mina. You still gonna see me on TV. It means uzongikhohlwe. You will never forget about me.
Yo, yeah, my dad.
Cause after they break up, I think a year later, mangizojoin umuntu wami lo khona manje soulmate yami. Ngabong appear on TV. You understand? Ente mnani mohla Davidson ke hayi shem uyatrend. Umbonile uMatilda ku TV. Yazi yafika kibo. I'm telling you. And then alokola texter. Now he's texting. He's like, yeah, you should come get your things. It's like ngihambe ne hoodie yakho. After some years when usofuna hoodie yakho back. Matilda
yeah, ufuna attention yakho.
Yeah. Mara ibangicreatele inkinga shem yazi ngithi lofuna ngimoshela kule soulmate yami entshantsa brand new from the box ngangiphi inkinga. Awwa. Hayi lokho uya text ukuthi you should meet up. Azonginika izinto zami ngathi ayungabari ngizozibholthela ngisho khona ibholt send. Ashaya ibholt send. Ngoba mina ngihlakaniphile into ezinje involve my parents wami ke family yami. Kuthi ngimbonisa iphane ngijoina ukuthi uyabona kuthi ngele ngayenzana hayi kuthi ngele ngenza behind your back no ukhona umuntu beyangicommunicate with a certain person. So kaba kanjalo till today me and that devil worshipper ex we don't communicate.
The devil worshipper
Ngizawuthini?
You mentioned ukuthi uyasonteza yona usonta kuphi? Yini igama lesonto la?
It's Asaria. Ayikho la eSempumalanga.
Oh. Lana, you've never like tried maybe to go to any church?
Ikhona la kamama ngikhohla igama.
Mama kunesonto?
La sonta khona.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ngikhohli uNkulunkulu. Khohliwe.
Yeah, it's been long since you went to church, yeah? It's been long since you went to church.
I last week.
How? But you don't remember the
name?
The name of the church.
The thing is, I don't care about the name. As long as ngisontweni ngiyokhonza, that's all yazi. Ukuthi igama lesonto yini ifana nama club. Mangenda when I would even ask Kupila. I don't bother myself asking. Babon. Day before yesterday being Rustenburg. Ngithole izolo ukuthi bengise Rustenburg. All along ngithi mina ngise artist ngidlule artist. Not knowing ukuthi ngise Rustenburg.
Kanenda ukuya Rustenburg.
How? I don't bother ask as long as I'm doing what I love. How angikubuze mina. Yabo ngangitshontsha.
Yo.
Ngizokubuza after.
Yeah, it's easy to steal you, man.
Oh, exactly.
Shit. Nala so Paris, ne?
Se Paris ne?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Okay, no. Because of time, I think we'll have to wrap it up now. Is there anything that you'd like to ask Matilda before we let it go? But I feel like there's a lot of information, so we might maybe need her for the second part because she had done a lot of things, because she was even featured on Josie FM, like she's been like making waves. But so many radio station, and she's worked with Ukabza the Small. I've seen Koningoma, la khona Ukabza the Small. Now you khona lapho postiwe on the channel and over 1 million subscribers. A king of Amapiano. It a king of Amapiano. Yeah, there's a song la payana. Indaba kanjani?
Yeah, the name of the song is Bayibhale rock name.
Okay.
It's Nyetagwa njalo, but Bayibhale is in language which is Nyetagwa njalo.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and I've seen you've also worked with the likes of Scott Mapuma.
Yes. Malumneta, Jackie
Malumneta, yes, he's one of the
Banning.
Yeah, it's just a lot. Just so, but we'll unpack ezinye izinto maybe on the second interview.
Yeah, but since uhlangane nama-celebrate angaka, awukazi nje ujordan ile-one kuwo.
Okay, I've dated Youngstana.
Yeah.
And ngile ngatrenda because of pele bangibuza some other interview yabo, but I ngifuna clouds why ngimention kulo interview le. So I've dated Youngstana, I've dated Kitini from Ambitious Entertainment. I've dated let me see.
You guys dated for how long no Kitini?
Le short njolo period.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, Youngstana it was a long-term njolo period. Ngazi if ngibeka kahle. Yes.
Uthole naye for isikhathi singakanani? How long was your relationship with him?
I think besiya kuma yeah 1 year. I think besiyela lapho nje.
Damn.
Yabo sihlukane makazongena Piano Hub.
Okay.
Sahlukana lapho ke.
Do you think fame changed him?
Yes.
Oh, it's the fame.
No.
If azanga pop at that time, do you think he'd still be here with you?
Yebo.
So ifame kahle yamshintsha umuntu.
Ifame yamshintsha umuntu. Hopefully lo muntu engijoyina naye manje shema ngangijikele because sekangaka ukuthi angene. Yo. Nkosiyami. Sekusele kancane ukuthi angene umuntu wami shem. Or should I mention his name? Is it safe?
Yeah.
Safe.
No, you can call him out. Maybe,
right.
You're plugging him eventually, yabo.
Yeah. Now uzojabula mebona uthi ubhebe ungibizile.
I always shem, especially kuma radio interviews I always because I look up to that guy because usebenza internationally.
Okay.
And he's from Soweto, Meadowlands.
Oh.
His name is Jackie RSA.
Jackie.
Yeah, Jackie RSA.
Okay, we'll definitely check him out. I've
on
never heard of
Insta.
him.
Bra. Lo muntu usebenza internationally. Imagine akafocusanga la but le orkant he's there. Ufamous eTanzania as we speak.
Yeah.
So I'm just praying for him because I'm ngilahlike yazi.
So unokhamba naye.
Because it's for izobiyenzeka for the second time phela manje.
Yo not even for the second time. Yes, not even for the second time, Shem.
How?
But it's fine.
Kanti izobiyenzeka singaki manje?
That time.
Uba nomunye kanti.
Ngimention this one because this one record label yakhe shemi very strong bangangisuwa. Labaya gatekeeper.
But ujolile naye.
Still phela yena kumele ngabe neikendele, you understand? Bakhona abantu abane PR strong shem. Bakhona hayi lawyer uhlele kuma gangster.
Oh.
So simangiqala ngiyakhuluma nje mangikhipha ingoma nje igatekeeper. You understand? So angifuni izinto ezimbi ezinjalo.
Alright ukuthi relationship ibe under carpet or something.
For me akho right. Why mina sifihlane?
Yeah, naku uyamprotector.
Na.
Futhi noma njola beni under carpet.
No, mina umuntu ngiprotector lo osayiniwe, you understand? But umuntu omiyaziwa shem. I will never hide my relationship. I am single, I am not available, I am not mingling. I am soon to be married.
Yeah.
Oh.
How? So the
All
guy should
depends.
forget.
Yes, so don't even bother wasting your time asking me out, cause
Uzobamba.
yes, ndiyajola. I know I look single because of the content I post. Angisho bacanga ukuthi I'm a hoe.
Yeah, and speaking of that, before we wrap up the interview, Mfethu, come on, Mfethu, give us a 360 and Mfethu, just check for the
360,
viewers.
yeah.
Mfethu.
Okay, I wanna ask for the twerking part. They're gonna have to wait for our second episode.
But you promised them. No, but you promised them what you'll do it
Yes.
at the end of the interview.
I know I did ne, but mangicela ukukhumbula ukuthi bazobuya bafuna ukubona ngisho. So
Yeah.
masiwenza yonke into manje episode 1, do you think bazobuya? They won't.
Okay,
So
cool.
nibuyeni guys ne, ngizobe ngitwerka. Sengizo-edda futhi ngizoperforma nokuperforma sengiyatwerka.
Okay. Awashaya nge-360 ke.
Uzofaka i-G-string lapho ngithi masutwerk.
Not a problem.
Oh.
Okay.
Yo, kone-360 njani? We are turn around
Yeah, you just turn around and
with my
yeah, khona lapho nje.
shwapa.
No.
Yeah, madoda.
Wow.
Yo. Yeah, hey.
Yeah, ne. Nice.
Okay, I would like to say nje, thank you for coming. It really means a lot to our small family that you have. Yeah, is there anything that you'd like to add before we wrap it up?
No. Bonge nje ukuthi ufikile.
Yeah, it's been long. I wanted to have her on the
Siyabonga.
show, but now, hey, she's really busy. Yo, yeah, she's a busy woman. But obviously, she's a businesswoman. So you
Yeah.
know, if something has to do with business, you must know that person is busy. Yeah, bo. So nje yeah, but siyabonga nje ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi wenza isikhathi ufike. That really means a lot. I just want you to share your social platforms on that camera. Then I will close the interview.
Okay, I think again. So this is this is Nonhlanhla
Yeah.
Matilda Shabangu, known as Ubabe Matilda Ugabati assistant from David Ton. So I'm available on Facebook, Nemilo Uti Babe Matilda. And then on Instagram it's Ukabadia assistant Twembu Babe Matilda. Mara I got hacked on Instagram, so go Facebook yeah. Ungangithola lapho. Do you think abantu bayazi ukuthi ngizo music or bad lento is wrong? Do they know?
Ngashiya ngevesi mfethu.
Think as I flew guys abona so
How?
I can't speak
We
properly.
spoke about it, Mosugut. That's how we spoke about these things most. They obviously they know.
No, yazi mele wenza njani because khona abanye abangazwanga kahle.
Yeah.
Yebo. So mele mayiphela bese udlala ingoma yami ku background bakwazi ukuzwa.
Khuleka ngizoyifaka mayiqala.
Yeah, you understand?
Izongishaya ama-strike. Hey, ama-strike.
It will
What?
depend. Is
Copyright.
like your song?
Ngeke khuleka copyright yani. Hawu, sizabasuka kwabo copyright bakhona lapho. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, cool. As we are wrapping up our interview, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We are out.
Danko.
Thank you.